Yo guys, if you are tired of struggling with affiliate marketing or you are looking to start a profitable affiliate marketing business without all the stress and hard work involved, then ensure you listen to everything I want to say in this video. By now, I know you are probably tired of buying courses here and there, courses that leaves you even more confused. You are tired, you are frustrated, and you are almost giving up. Relax. I and my team at SabiMentors, we have created a super affiliate system that will give you or anybody everything they need to start a 6 to 7 figure per month affiliate marketing business in as little as 7 hours. Yes, 7 hours. Now, why did I make that bold statement? Simple. We have done all the hard work for you. We have created the sales funnels. We have written the ad copies and email copies. We have researched the audience. We have created the graphics. We have written the pre-sale articles. We have written the content. We have added the premium tools, and we have also created a simple to understand video training. We have also added the support and everything you need to get started right away. Now, all you need to do is to simply plug and play and get started. Okay? Now, we didn't just stop there. We have also created the platform that you can sign up today and start promoting products and earning commissions. See guys, affiliate marketing does not get easier than this. Alright, so if you are interested in this system, simply click the link below to learn more and get started. I can't wait to see you on the inside guys. One love, peace out.